This is a CF-31 hinge replacement. Start off by shutting the computer down, removing the battery if you've not done so already. And then from there, go ahead and remove the antenna covers. Just one screw on each antenna cover, set them to the side. And then go ahead and remove the screws holding the top lid together. Once you've done that, go ahead and remove the screws on the back of the hinge covers. Go ahead and open up the lid, remove the keyboard cover strip. Then go ahead and remove the screws on the hinge covers and remove the hinge covers. Go ahead and open up the lid, drain all the power from the computer, hold the power button for a few seconds, and disconnect the screen cable, disconnect the touchscreen board. Go ahead and remove the screen. Go ahead and unscrew and remove the front assembly. From there, go ahead and just set the rear LCD cover down on top of the keyboard, hold it down, and then remove the screw for either side of the hinges in the back. Then go ahead and remove the two screws on each hinge and remove your hinges. Once you've removed your hinges, get your replacement hinges and put them in place. Go ahead and screw them back down. Go ahead and put your screws back in on the back side of the hinges as well. Go ahead and put your front assembly back on and screw it back on. Make sure your front assembly is closing right, that your lid latch is latching properly. Then go ahead and put your screen back on, or back in place. Make sure to reconnect your touchscreen board. put your rear cover back on and tuck the wires in where they belong. And then put your antenna wire covers and screen bumpers back in place, and then screw your top bezel back on. And go ahead and put your hinge covers back on. Make sure to tuck your antenna wires in where they belong as you do so. Go ahead and put the screws in the back side of the hinge covers as well. Go ahead and put your keyboard strip back on and screw it back down. And then once that is done, you can go ahead and put your battery back in, and you're all done with the repair. Don't forget to put your antenna covers back on as well. Once you're all done with that, make sure all your screws are in, put your battery back in, you're all done with your repair. If you have any questions, any comments, any suggestions, just let us know. You can give us a call at our toll-free number of 877-202-7788, or you can send us an email to our tech support email, which is tech_support@bobjohnson.com.